channel's not that bad. It's
All views expressed by the hosts and guests in this podcast are solely their opinions and do not reflect the opinions of their respective employers. Guests and hosts may maintain positions in the assets discussed in this podcast. This podcast is for informational purposes only, and nothing in the podcast is intended to be financial, legal, or even live advice.
But it doesn't. It doesn't.
It is live. It is
And
live.
we're
It's
live. And we're live.
Oh,
We are
okay,
live.
But okay, the thing is that there's no makeup. Okay, I literally like didn't do anything. I was just like working from home. So.
I mean, you
I
can put your
don't
makeup
care.
on right now if you want.
Cinema, do I have to do this right now for Sprout?
It's the get ready with me videos. You know, like get ready with me as I work on my startup.
Okay.
It's cool, but
Yeah.
Nice.
What should we do?
Just
Should
for-
we live stream until they are up?
How update me?
It was like you guys go first.
wait, update with us.
Okay. I got wrecked in Pengu. I shot Pengu with a bit of size. I was down 1,300%. No, well, it's only like,
Bro, like, I
I
thought you
basically
closed that
down
for, like, a while.
leverage. I closed like 70. So like I was like, hey, Pengu doesn't make sense to have their own data and all this fucking shit, right? So I short the fuck out of them. But yeah, it was
This is
a
his
mistake.
clickbait to like get Luca Nets to jump in.
No,
this
no, bro. It's not my clickbait. I lost over 100k there. I'm not rich enough to throw in 100k clickbait, bro.
I will add Luca. Let's go talking shit about Pengu.
This podcast is brought to you by Zero G.
AI and Web3 technologies has been a frequent topic in the industry. Zero-G is a layer 1 blockchain platform that aims to address challenges in decentralized AI infrastructure. To its website, Zero-G offers verifiable AI serving and scalable data availability intent for real-world AI workloads. The platform uses modular architecture designed to overcome specific bottlenecks in decentralized AI. Projects can adopt either the full AI stack or selective layers, with emphasis on scalability, cost efficiency, and trustless verification.
And they're not doing this alone either, backed by nearly 300 investors, including Samsung Next, Alumni Ventures, Bankless Ventures, and more, plus partnerships with heavyweights such as Chainlink, Solana, Optimism, Google, and even Alibaba. And to really fuel the ecosystem, the Zero-G Foundation has launched an 88 million growth program and accelerator with Web3 Labs, supporting over 1,000 dApps already in the pipeline. Oh, and the network, over 8,000 validators and 5,000 storage nodes, strong. So yeah, if you're into the future of crypto and AI, keep an eye on Zero-G.
Sure, man.
So I closed like
Okay.
80% of the position already, but yeah, I had a bit of fun with the World Coin yesterday. Round trip to like a bit of it, but it's good. I am long pump fund yesterday morning, so let's go.
Ooh.
Let's fucking go. Pump fund is good. All time high today,
yeah.
please. Pump that shit.
Wait,
Is
bro,
it
like, what
already
is-
all-time high today?
No, not yet.
Wait,
Soon.
like, this is kind of chaotic, but like, I love this. Like, what is Mix MYX? Like, I just saw it
What is what?
on BNB.
I heard about
MYX.
this too. It's like a perp DEX, but like they don't have much trading volume, but their token is
Oh,
more
YMX.
than like 20
MYX
billion something.
Mix.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
MYX
Yeah.
is mycelium, right? If I remember correctly, the full name is.
No. This is like this new like perp.
No, it's a new
MYX
token.
Finance. Yeah.
Yeah.
No, because
Oh,
I
is
was
it?
just
Oh,
going to
the
CoinGecko,
crime
and then I
one.
sort by performance.
Yeah, the
in
crime
past
one.
week.
Yeah.
Yeah. The crime one. I think we shouldn't say that.
I know it by the crime.
Okay,
It
okay.
is the crime one.
Yeah, we have Meina from Sprout today. We were actually not gonna do this live, but she's chatting after. Well, like, let's just do it live. Let's just rip it. Right? Okay, then let's just rip it. I'm just gonna do a quick intro, I guess, for some of the listeners here. I think we have a couple hundred people, so that's pretty good. Meina from Sprout, founder friend who's currently working on savings. I will let you explain a bit more of like what Sprout is, but she's been on a live streaming tear lately. I think like I've seen your face on my timeline like a couple times in the past couple of weeks. So here we are contributing into that because she just went live on testnet also with the Fluent team. So yeah, I'm gonna pass it to you first and foremost, Meina. Just if you can tell a bit more about yourself to our audience. Who are you? And I'm gonna be like Kevin again, like, who are you? Right? Like, what's your like purpose in this life? Go on.
Okay, what's my purpose in life? Hello, everyone. My name is this the deepest voice I can get?
Are you like trying to
My
speak
name-
like the founder of like Theranos, or like, oh yeah, I'm gonna speak?
No, you know, like what they always joke in TikTok is like it's called 气泡音 with bubble. I can't even do it.
what? Okay.
It's like okay. Hello everyone. Okay, that's
I'm so confused. But okay.
you don't understand Chinese enough to know this joke.
Yes,
Like,
there's no Chinese
seriously.
left in him. He's a fifth
Bro, shut up,
generation
shut up.
Chinese. He looks as Chinese as fuck, but he has no Chinese left in him. 哎，不
That's
可以
so bad.
不可以
That's so
Okay,
bad.
okay.
You need to remember your rules.
对不起
Marco.
I know.
Even if 对不起 is very bad. Okay.
Anyway, sorry, please. This is not my roast again.
This is not good. This live stream is too degenerate. Can we get some serious business talk? Okay. Hello everyone.
Okay,
My name
serious.
is Meina. I'm the founder and CEO of Sprout. At Sprout, we are building the yields that fits you. What does that mean? We provide personalized yields based on your own risk tolerance and preference, as well as your adjusting financial goals. And I am here to show you how it works. A little bit about my background. Actually, I have a very serious
Oh, Marco
background.
doesn't follow. Why Marco not follow?
What? Wait,
Marco
I
didn't
followed her.
follow her.
I gotta
I did.
defriend Marco.
Wait, I did
Exposed.
Okay.
Let's
Wait.
defriend Marco.
Wait, I did, right? No,
Hey,
I
hey,
followed
hey.
Meina.
No, you don't follow Sprouts.
Yeah.
Oh,
you-
yeah.
You know, like every
There
time
we
he
go.
shares something, he saves the article, but he never follows the guy.
That's crazy,
said-
Marco. You should give other people social credit. But okay, back to
Okay.
my,
Sorry. Yeah.
Back to my
Please
background.
continue to talk about the profile. Marco, maybe you can
Yes.
show this at the app screen again. Sorry.
Yeah, wait.
Yes, please come
do you
back.
want to share your screen, Meina, or do you want me to share the?
I will
the
share my
website?
screen, but I will share my background. So my background is in data science. Before joining the degenerate industry, crypto, I was a data scientist on Wall Street for 8+ years. I worked for many financial institutions, did like churn analysis, upsell analysis, specifically for wealth management. So I understand the practice as well as data science. My background is very quantitative. I studied mathematics and economics for both of my undergraduate and graduate. I did Master of Data Science from NYU. I'm still on the alumni board. Okay, enough serious talk.
Serious talk.
But really, like my interest is in data science, AI, and crypto. And Sprout is literally the product that combine all this together. Another thing is I think it's also because I am female, so I can say I'm more sensitive than a lot of those like male founders. I have I have
What
my
does that mean? But go
standard.
on, please.
I have my standard and tasting product. I cannot let my product being unusable. Like literally every single call when I go on to chat with the DeFi protocol founder, right? I would test out their product. I would be like, this is so shitty, guys. This is so hard to understand. But Sprout is doing the exact opposite. We want every single one user, whoever come to our website, to our platform, to be able to use it immediately with one click. So what should we do? Demo?
Let's go. Let's
go.
jump into it. Yeah.
Actually, like my account is already registered, but I will show you, I guess, like what is like how it is when you already register. But I want to show you guys like how when it's not
Okay.
registered.
Yep. So we can see your screen, estimated APY and all of that. Yep.
Can you guys see? This is real money actually. So I mean, a couple of days we went live on Fluent Testnet. So we have like actually, can you see my URL or something like that? Oh, you can. Good. Okay. So this is actually the closed beta, and what you do really is like you can, as a user, you can adjust your risk score here.
Your risk score. Yep.
You have a slider. It slides smoothly. And as you slide, there will be like different estimated APY. And the APY is actually based on real time. Like we call those protocols like API to get the real-time APY. It updates, and then underlying, when you have a different risk score, we will match you a different portfolio. So right now we have a risk score of 92, right? Then majority is putting into like Camino, Morpho, Resolve. You can see, if you are a Degen, you can see it's still very, very conservative compared to a lot of other DeFi protocol. But it's really because like our product is majorly prepared for non-Degen users. But I do have received a lot of feedback from Degen users, and they say, oh, I want more degenerate or higher risk strategies.
higher
So
yield.
we are,
Yeah.
they want higher yield. So we are taking that into consideration. Maybe like the next like product update, we will integrate some other yield strategies. But once you have like choose your risk score, right, then you can deposit. I already did a couple of like testing. You can do crypto deposit, you can do MoonPay, and then I think like what we spend a lot of time on is when we rebalance your portfolio, we show you exactly what we bought in, what we sell, like for this like detail level, and it's really like
for
question?
the.
Yes,
No, yeah,
please, go
fire
ahead.
Away.
Yes.
If you go back to the
you
risk,
need to do this,
so like
do the standard gesture. Okay.
I was never a good student, but yeah. Can you go back to the risk factor? So
Okay.
How are you doing this, by the way? Like, so in the risk thing, as you slide more, you put more money into different strategies, or you put less, or do you only go into a certain strategy when it's higher, kind of thing?
So it really depends. You can see actually when you have a lower risk score, it's actually more protocols because it's more like distributed. And then we change the weighting for each of the strategies. This is like a pretty low risk, right? So we actually put more into DAI and Camino. And then when you go to like more risky ones, okay, it's actually less because you are putting more money into the higher risk ones. Yeah.
I see.
But and then I'm assuming like in the future you will like increase more like protocols, like because these are all like blue chips, right? Mostly. So because of the feedback from the Degens, maybe on the higher risk you would add like less blue chip but higher yield, I guess.
Yeah, we will. I'm already like pushing my internal quant. I'm like, let's approve more stress, but they are like super conservative. They always say no. Whenever I share with them, here's the strategy. I chatted with a protocol today. They were like, it's annoying. No.
Are you guys doing mostly on EVM right now?
Yeah, right now you can see it's mainly like East Mainnet. You have Base. You also have Solana, but we're gonna be incorporating the strategies from Arbitrum, Barachain, from Monad, from Fluent, everywhere, and then also Sui and Aptos. Yep.
Nice. Good to hear.
But now mainly EVM plus Solana. You can never ignore Sol's.
This is not live yet, right? By the way.
Internally, closed beta is live. You are in my Sprout Farmers group. Lampro.
No, the yield is too low for me. The yield is too low for me for now. I'll come in soon.
Do you read my chat?
This is the product that you this is the product that you give to your wife, you know.
Exactly. I can make the background pink too. If that's gonna make your wife like it more.
No, but like real talk though, like if you can go take a step back a bit, Meina, if you can go back to the other page, I think I saw that you had like some, if you deposit, that like if you like deposit now, you would get like booster or something like that. Maybe if you can go to like optimize again, if you can click optimize, and then like the like the limit boost unlock. I'm thinking like I feel like crypto right now is like getting more and more into like these, like how do you properly onboard users, like in a sense, because like you're not just competing on so like I mean like what's your journey been so far around because you're like building more of a consumer product than like necessarily like a new financial primitive, right? Like how are you thinking about like optimizing all of these flows, I guess?
Can you guys let me share like this is can you guys see the new tab? This is
we can see the card,
the Fluent like testnet version. So we actually like incorporated like some features we want to test out. So in addition to the main app, the closed beta, but in the main app, the reward center will be reflected soon. like really my grand vision for Sprout is like we're gonna connect both the IRL experience plus the virtual experience. The virtual experience, of course, is the token, right? It's your personality card that's gonna be bound to your account. It's all the airdrops from different protocols across chains, right? We're gonna do a lot of like fun activations and collaborations with different protocols. That's all like ongoing discussion or already planned. But on the other side, Sprout, we're gonna also have a card where you can use in real life. So I'm gonna provide you discount on different vendors. You can maybe get a coffee next on your next block for like 20% off or 30% off. And then we will also have like this XP. But at the end of the day, I think because we are trying to cater to retail users risk score, we will know what they are aping into at what time, what they are buying. We literally know a lot of about their like spending as well as risk preference, so we can even cluster them into different social activities. And then I really want to collect all those data so that to make sure, okay, it's utilized and all pumped back into Sprout experience and to onboard the retail users.
If there's one thing that you can share, like why should one try this product right now?
I think the core selling point will not be changed. I mean, me personally, I really need a product like this because I want to do yield farming. I think it's the best strategy, no matter what market it is for retail users or for people who doesn't have edge information, right? Earlier, all those are jokes, guys. I don't have that much.
Sure, bro. Sure.
That's part of the Sprout VVIP just for 5,000 a month. I'm just kidding.
Earlier, those are all jokes, right? Usually, you don't have access to all those information, and you don't know how to vet those information. So the best strategy for any normal user, I would say 95% is to continue to compound. And think about it, with so many big corporations, companies, even countries launching stable coins, they're gonna try to compete to have their users to use it. So the yield we will be getting to a yield war. Why don't we farm it, right? And if one day you are very sure about an opportunity, you can take the money out anytime and ape into those opportunities. But don't let your money just die in your bank account. They are that's just not very efficient. But I think the user experience plus the time that we are saving for you is tremendous. Because even for Degen users, I literally have some quants commenting in my tweets saying, "Oh, this is a product that I will be using." Because usually they are very busy, maybe like trading or doing their job, right? Even me, myself, I'm 24/7 on Twitter. I don't have time to like read all the white papers. And also, I don't think like I will be, I monitor this market maker's position. This is a stable coin they holding, I'm not doing that, right? But the Sprout quants are doing that. So in addition to like on-chain positions, like we overlay like also our B2B due diligence, overlay with our data science, we create the best risk-adjusted yield for you. So if you want a sustainable risk-adjusted yield, come to us, right? If you want to like gamble, maybe come to Lambro.
Hey! I'm actually very safe. You know, my school rate is pretty good.
Wait,
My Sharp ratio is not that bad, you know.
What's your Sharpie?
2 point something.
Wow.
2.5.
Wow.
Yeah. Well, not including meme
Professional
coin trading.
trader.
Not including meme coin.
No, like I was just gonna.
How do you classify meme coin?
Things that is not listed on any centralized exchange, basically.
Okay.
Wait, I'm gonna ask questions. This or this. Wait, like real talk. When you like, have you ever like I'm assuming you've shared this with like some more normie friends, maybe like TradFi friends and so on, right? Like, what has been like? I guess, like, were they scared to get yield on chain, or like what has been their, I guess, like most common reaction towards like, like I can get like 11%. Like what has been like their experience when they looked at your product?
First of all, they asked us like what are the stable coins, right? So we explain, oh, it's like digital dollar. Second, they will ask us, oh, where does those yield come from? Then we will start to explain, oh, it's all like incentivized by the protocols. It's also maybe like resulting from the trading fees
Organic
that's
from some of
collected
it,
by
the
the
trading strategy. Yeah.
yeah, or it's basically like, oh, the higher efficiency, the capital utilization, the higher yield you're gonna get, right? That's HLP. But like after like explanation, they will still have their doubts.
Yep.
But they are usually interested because it's way more than the banking rates, or more even than the Robinhood. Robinhood right now is what, 3% or 4.5%.
Yeah, I mean, you can easily get like 3x on that. Yeah, no, that's true.
Yeah, and you will be surprised how many like have family offices are already reaching out to like big, I guess like crypto protocols or whatever, like middleman. They're gonna have
Right.
to get access to the yields, and they will have someone manage. Oh, and this reminds me another thing that one of my friend is cooking. This is related to your information, Lambro. We have some super big football player maybe launching the meme coin, their own token.
Wait,
Hey,
okay. What are you saying? What are you saying? What are you saying? Ah, but like
Okay, what are you
10.2 is
saying?
hard, man. 10.2 is hard.
What's 10.2? What?
If you don't know, you don't know, bro. If you don't know, you don't know, bro.
Oh, shut up.
Okay.
Shit.
Go
How
back
are they
to-
launching the
go back to-
token? How are they launching the token?
Go back to Sprout. Okay. Disclaimer: I don't hold any
Someone
meme
call you
coin,
cute, by the
guys.
way. Liquidated Capital call you cute.
Really?
Wait
Okay.
till
Thank you for having your
you
bright eyes.
see her in makeup.
This is the edge of a female streamer, bro.
I want to, like, because I don't have boobs, so this is what I use for boobs, but like it doesn't work, I guess.
I also don't.
Anyway.
I was waiting for you to say that.
Oh my god.
It's okay. It's a blessing from Asian. It's good to be Chinese.
I am so dead right now, bro. Okay.
Marco is trying to get the conversation back to the normal.
Wait. But okay. Imagine you're trying to convince Lambro to use this. What's the pitch right now?
Do we position him as a DJ or do we position him as a normal people?
To whatever you think might make him use the product. So like, let's say he might be using like trading terminals for his Degen stuff, but maybe he's still gonna have like his more like every day, like maybe that's like whatever you want to do it. Yeah.
Lambro, are you using any money market right now?
Yes.
What are you using?
I use a lot of hyper EVM stuff. I do a lot of morpho, looping, those kind of things.
Do you know there's a tool called Sprout that's gonna help you one click into all those portfolios without you managing them by yourself? And we will even remind you about your financial goals so you can buy your wife flowers, cars.
I think my financial
Bags.
goal is unrealistic. 100 fix. but yeah. But okay. Does it leverage?
So that you can. Right now, we don't have any like leveraged yield farming positions, but we're considering.
Okay. On the real talk though, I like the UI. Like basically, whenever I travel, I pull out in most of my DeFi leveraged yield farm position just because I don't bring my laptop out and stuff. And the second thing is like I normally don't like paying fee for a middleman to manage my strategy unless it's a leveraged strategy. So they will help me deleverage and avoid liquidation, etc. I do see a
Makes
good
sense.
point, but like I am the weird, like I'm the more deeper guys, right? So like, but I think most people
You're the
will be
risk
happy
guys,
to
yeah.
onboard. Yeah. Most people will be more happy to have like these situations, actually, in my opinion.
I think what's
Yeah.
interesting is also like, I mean, like you are mentioning the cards and like all of the rewards. Like I can see that you're starting to design it in a way that like people can use it. Like let's say even if you might not put like a lot of your capital there, it would at least be like the go-to app for your like crypto spendings and so on. And like I think
Yeah.
that's a growing space right now.
Yeah, maybe we can
yeah.
do some like fun rebates with some ecosystems where like while you're
Exactly.
spending, you can also earning. But for those kind of activation, to be honest, guys, it's very expensive to run as a crypto company. But we will try.
For sure.
I think we're getting there.
I mean, like,
Yeah,
like that's the interesting part, right? Like, I actually have a little bit of money in EtherFi as well, just because I use the card. So like, I don't mind putting for just like the fake 9%, realistically only 4% yield.
Did you?
They mark it as 9%, but I worked out the maps. It's only around 3 to 6-ish.
Ooh,
So they took
drama.
you 5%. Oh,
No. So they claim there's something coming or blah blah blah. Like I guess because like they do some fixed term yield strategies that fluctuates a little bit, so it moves around. But it's okay lah. I'm used to the front end giving me the wrong APR.
Bro,
Yeah.
it's always, bro. I'm just gonna say it like Euler, bro. Euler. it's always, it's
I
always
think
exaggeration.
Another thing is more like when you, I guess like, but this is more like, oh, retail users can also get access to exclusive like B2B deals, because like for us, right, I will actively like talk to those different ecosystems or protocols, and they will tell me, oh, we may like just incentivize this thing for a little bit. We will always be the first one to know, right? And then after our assessment, then retail users can also get access to that. Before, it's only those big whales. Even for those token launch, come on, it's all the quotas are getting by the bigger groups. You guys know it.
100%.
Wait, like maybe
but-
for like just oh no, just like
Before
one last
we
question
go
from
on,
me. Just like
there's two questions from the audience. Sorry, audience has to come
okay.
in front of you, Marco.
no, yeah, please,
liquidated
please.
capital is
How are they
liquidated. You go to our Twitter and you see people talking there. Basically, liquidated capital. I replied. Liquidated capital said, "I'm here only for Meina because she's cute," and I said, "Wait till she's in makeup." And then he was like, "I'm just coming for her. I am just saying." So I guess you need to put on makeup on live now. And secondly,
God.
Llama wants to ask you about explain the fees part of things.
Oh, right now we are not charging
Actually,
anything.
good questions. Ooh, free. There you go.
Right now it's free, right? Because we are incentivizing, we are onboarding more users. But in the future, we may adopt a small management fee or some P&L sharing, but it will definitely be lower than most of the protocol. I'm thinking of a range like 25 bips or 50 bips. Depends on
the
actual
yield or
adoption.
on performance or TVL.
On the AUM.
Okay.
Yeah, but
I was
it's
just
not
gonna ask-
adopted yet. Yeah.
Yeah, no, that's a good segue, honestly. Like, I was just gonna ask, like, for some of the audience, like, mental model, I guess, like what's the equivalent in like Web2 or what are you trying? Like, is it more of like Robinhood? Is it more like Wealthfront? Like, what's the thinking?
It is similar to Wealthfront and Betterment, and
Betterment.
to be honest, like I got onboarded to Betterment and Wealthfront for my first like startup company. I was working at Billy as their like first data scientist hire, and then it's their like employee benefits account. So I started to use Betterment and then Wealthfront. But what they allow you to do is like you can choose a risk score, and that risk score actually dictates how like what's the percentage of the stock you're holding versus the percentage of the bond. And then you can also choose individual level of this is the, I guess, like if you want a tech sector, you want a social media, you want all those like different kind of stocks, right? You can choose. So I really like that product, and I like how I can customize it versus like, if you use other like savings account, you only have like one choice, right? For the banking. So that's why I want to create something very similar in the Web3 space, because we do have better opportunity. We are a newer industry, and there's a lot more things we can do, to be honest.
There's a lot more funny money Lego in Web3. Yeah, got it.
Yeah, and it does bring more. I guess it does bring more benefits for the retail users, because for like Betterment or Wealthfront, right? Even though I'm depositing it, but I cannot see the money. I don't know like where the balance is, right? But in Web3, like especially right now, all the protocols we are using, they are like decentralized protocols, so you can literally check the on-chain positions
You're
Meina.
distracting her.
I'm not from the linear team. I'm
She's just
making a
happy
joke.
for people that's getting airdrops, which is me,
Ayo.
but very little.
Yeah, I'm just happy for linear farmers, you know. Sorry,
Bro, do you think
I
if she was from linear team, would she come on stream right now? Let me remind you the chart, the down only chart, like the down only fucking chart. Like I am so disappointed in them. It's unfucking-believable.
Wow.
Like
Yes.
I do not
I-
condone the statement of my co-host.
yeah.
kidding.
Would you
Yeah,
buy the
all
fucking
their
token, bro?
Courting leaves. Yeah, all their courting left before they launched the token. What do you think?
Bro, look at this. Like, this is like a fucking the Cactu meme token, like do, like fucking zero, bro.
Wait, that's
They need a
that's
better
still 2.4
market maker
billion,
for
right?
this.
Yeah.
Hey, FTV is a meme, bro. But yeah,
Hey.
Okay.
fucking
Meina, sorry, I lost track
Anyway.
of the string. I caused that journaling. Just remember, sproutfi.xyz. That's where you'll find your
There you go.
soul. That's where you'll find your yield.
Smartfi.xyz. Join
Yeah.
the waitlist. Wink,
Join the
wink.
waitlist. Join our closed
Participate in
beta.
Fluent Testnet. Join the closed beta.
Put all your stablecoin in Sprout. Find your girlfriend, for example.
This is not financial advice, but yes, please.
This is a step, right? First, open Spotify.xyz. Second, join the waitlist. Third, join the Fluent Testnet campaign. Fourth, when we go live, deposit all your stablecoin. Fifth, go find a girlfriend. By the way, we're gonna also have like Sprout Hotties event, so that to help.
Oh, okay.
There you go.
Okay, what's going on there? Give me a list. Give me a list. Give me a list. Hey, Marco, can you make the chat box like the layout a little bit different on your side?
Yeah,
like
and
where
also-
the
also
faces
like,
are bigger.
Yeah, I know.
I don't actually. Wait, so for like our faces on Riverside, you mean?
Yes. Because like
I think there's a
I'm-
different layout because they wanted me to do the makeup video right now.
You actually gonna do it? Let me deposit my last remaining $10. That's what Liquidator said.
This guy's jokes, bro.
You are following the wrong KOL. Okay, don't follow Lembro.
Oh my god.
Lembro, this is like I need like to get to the bloggers whose follower have like more than $10.
Okay, apparently I need to. I need to.
Who do you guys think have the richest like followers? Like for
Ooh.
CT KOLs?
I don't know.
It's gonna be
man.
like one of those like less than 5K accounts that's only getting followed by other VCs. You know. Yeah. Smart followers. You know, what's your smart follower ratio, Lambro?
I have pretty high.
I don't. What's
What's
high
your
actually?
smart follower rate? I think
don't actually
I am
know.
like around 10%. More than 10%. You guys chat.
You have the
What's
benefit
your-
of a smaller account.
Oh, okay. Talking shit, Marco. Talking shit. You only have 10% because it's small. APR only high because TVL is low.
That's a good analogy.
I'm gonna cry. I'm a female, okay? Please don't be so harsh to me. I'm an Asian
I
female
don't
founder.
actually
I'm very fragile.
Hey,
Will
don't
you marry
know,
a bold white boy? Will you marry a bold white boy to complete
bro,
the story?
shut up. Oh my god. You know, like
I don't
crypto is
wanna-
run by. I'm just kidding.
I don't want to comment on this because I always comment on this like privately with friends, but I I don't want to offend anyone. But I think
that
like,
is for our
How do you
after
check?
hours. Subscribe on Lambro's Patreon to hear Mina's thoughts on.
How do I check the percentage?
Go to your wait. Wait.
I don't know how does it go.
I think
how do you
Yaps.
use this?
Yeps on
Okay,
the
let's
left.
do it. Let's do it. Let's just do it.
I don't actually use like.
Yeah, and then just like scroll right. Yeah, and then
Oh, wow, only
3.7%. Wow.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, now sort.
What's the URL? Kaido what?
Kaido.
Wait,
I put yaps.kaido.
I think if you go to Yaps, Lambro, you can just search for Mina's account and for my account also.
Ah, okay.
If you
Yeah. Let's do it. Let's do it.
How do?
Yeps. There you go, bro. Come on.
Bro, I really don't go on this thing. Not lah. You're not the top. Like, oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm not the top.
Okay.
But okay, yeah. Back to dating. Bold white guys.
That's a Jiao lady.
Stop.
Okay, let's not talk about.
Okay, let's focus on like how can you grow your own money
company.
Vice
Yeah.
Hey, independent. I'm just kidding. Sorry, I'm like Lambert's just like destroying my train of thoughts right now. But
independent,
anyway.
strong women, financially independent, emotional independent. We help all the girlfriends to become financially independent. So that
I don't think this is the right place to shoot this angle.
Talk about the yield anymore. Oh, okay.
Wait.
My dynamic is 99% guys, so I don't think anyone's gonna listen to this. To be honest. but good for you.
For real. Okay, wait. Maybe we can do the usual things, Alembro. I mean, like, is there any questions for us, Meina? Like, what would you want to ask us about Sprout or about like anything?
I already know Lambro. So Lambro, you are saying like basically if we include those like looped leverage strategies, you will use Sprout because we can help you to manage those positions.
In my opinion, yes. So like for me to use this, there's a few things. First is you help out with my management in a sense where I can do leverage without worrying. Second is you get incentives from additional chains that help me either farm points, potential airdrop, or actual additional token because you got grants. And then the second bit is maybe a bit like ETHFI where I'll use the card so I don't mind parking some crypto there. And then I slowly got addicted to putting some money there just because swiping the card gave me a bit of cash back, give me some benefits as like a crypto card, etc., etc. I think these are like the few things that make sense to me. Right now, Sprout is cool, but I likely will like refer my friends to use it that I don't really want to teach them crypto that much, but I wouldn't use it myself for now.
I would just very quickly
give it to your wife.
No, I wouldn't let her spend any money.
Wow.
She stay kitchen and cook. She stay kitchen and cook.
No, I was gonna say, no, I mean, I think you should put the leverage loop for the highest risk profile because I do agree with Lambro. And like the logic is actually very basic. I'm going to call out all of the other yield funds. Pretty much all of the strategy on any vaults is just if borrow rate is lower than supply rate, then loop, like otherwise unwind. That's it. Like I'm sure your quant can do that, right? Like that's pretty much all of the loops, right? And then like I think if you do that and like that's gonna be the highest risk. Like if I say my risk profile is like 90 to like 100, and then just give us like 18% via like loopings, basically. Like I think a lot of people would opt for that again. I mean, like obviously. I mean, just showing our dates, but like, dude, back in the day, like projects like okay, but that's a bit different. Sorry, like I was like thinking more like LP loopings, like Alpha Finance in 2020, but that's like different. Like I think you should just do simple like borrow, supply, and that's like like LP loopings is like too much. Yeah, just if the borrow rate is cheaper than the supply rate, then loop. That's it.
Yeah, are you doing any like stablecoin farming right now, Marco?
Yeah, I mean, we're in Ethina like Aave like incentive like program, the one from a couple from like a month ago. Yeah, so like mostly those. Yeah, I'm in Syrup Camino also like looping. Yeah.
Do you have a pet, Marco? It's time for you to find your pet now.
I can't find Moon has left the building.
This is my pet.
What is this?
It's like tufting. It's like the thing that you can make yourself. So it's like knitting, but just make people.
You went with your girl, right? You did that like for fun.
Yeah,
But yeah, basically-
did you make it, or did your girl make it?
No, I actually made that one.
But what was I
we're
saying,
looking at
right?
Pendle.
It's like so like it's hard for me to do like not very attractive yield. Is like, let's say, look at this, right? Depending which stablecoin you trust not to depeg, you can actually do quite a lot of like of things. Like this is like approximate 29%, oh well, not for 13 days, but like 17% for
Yeah.
103 days. If you don't trust like Falcon, then you can go with Athena, which I think
USDAI or like Athena. and
Yeah,
stuff.
yeah.
But you always
like-
need to deal with the duration. Yeah.
Yes.
And it's fine,
Yes.
right? Like the thing is, like, if you're giving me 6% and they're giving me like 13%, and I'm happy to wait 90 days, and I can actually exit as well if I really wanted to. But again,
you
I don't
get the
think I think most
penalty.
people wouldn't do this. No, it's not
No, like,
penalty.
I
It's just
would-
liquidity.
Bro, like I would say like 80 to 90 risk score, do like normal loopings. 90 to 100 you can do Pendle, or it's the other way around, right? Like around that range, because like, yes, these are all like different stablecoin, but the Pendle smart contract risks is like one point of failure, right? So like you might want to like diversify like between like the loopings and Pendle, maybe 50-50, like, honestly. Yeah, I mean, like this is going into like the nerdy details, but I would agree with Lambro. Like if let's say, like, if I know that you will take care and make sure I get between 18 to like 22 or like something like that, yeah, I think a lot of people would like put in more than just the amount of money that they would use for spending. Because right now, I think for like EtherFi, Pay, all of these like crypto cards, right? Like people would only put the one that they're gonna spend, because they know like for the rest of it, especially if you're like crypto native, you can just get it somewhere else. And yeah, like I think it's almost like having, okay, from 0 to like 75, like this is like the normies, and then like 75 to like 100, these are like the Degens.
Yeah. Another thing
Yeah.
I know a lot of traders, or I guess like people who are degen, they will do is like they will borrow from one chain, right? And then they will find on the other chain to loop like across chains. I think those kind of
Yeah.
strategies, I don't think it's open to the public, but we can certainly we can explore. And another thing, which is more interesting, is like we are working with some protocols that, like, for example, they support like zkTLS, and then they can actually monitor both your on-chain and off-chain
And off-chain.
positions to make sure it's delta neutral strategies. So I
Hey,
do believe in
I'm
like
an angel. Thanks for shilling
Yeah,
my bag.
we're doing the collaboration,
Wait,
Oh,
who?
okay.
What? Which one is it? I missed it.
accountable.
Oh, accountable. Okay.
zkTLS. Yeah.
Nice,
So-
nice.
So at the end of the day, I think like I'm always like, I wanted my ethos is like, I want use technology to push the boundary where we can actually like safely provide the yields, the yields that cater to you, that fits you to users, right? And this goal will never be changed.
Yeah. Do you have any other questions, Lembro? I'm like trying to be cautious of time a bit.
What's the end? Like, what's the end vision for your product?
What's your North Star?
My North Star is like really to break into the boundary or onboarding the peripheral users from Web2. Because I think like not a lot of protocols are trying to do that. Most of people are trying to compete with all the institutions within the space, right? All those super big whales. I don't think like Sprout is the product for them, to be honest, right? They all, like, for super big whales, they all run their own hedge fund, or they have like people dedicated to run strategies for them. But really, just like how Robinhood opened up or helping retail users to get access to 24/7 trading, to low cost like buying and selling stocks, buying options, the similar thing like goes to Sprout, right? We want to get retail users an opportunity and access to stablecoin farming, and in the future will be extended to like ETH, Bitcoin, and then once like we complete our risk assessment, then retail users literally have two slider. One slider is the asset risk, the other slider is the yield farming risk, and then they're good. We were just been holding a bag of assets that gonna help them to earn money while they are sleeping, and they can also able to use it. A smart
go.
savings account. Yeah.
There you go. Well, Lambro, fire away with the question that we always ask.
What is it?
What do you think is required to make it in crypto?
What do you think is required? You mean as a person or as a founder?
Up to you.
Anything, yeah. What is required to make it in this industry?
I think it's courage.
Ooh.
Yeah, I think you need a lot of courage to make choices, make bets, no matter using your own time or using your assets. And if you want to make it, you actually have to probably like climb the cycles up and down. Because as a founder, as a builder, right, you may be rugged by your boss or you may be rugged by your investor. I heard so many like stories.
Yeah.
Share one. It's okay lah. It's okay lah. I can guess what you're gonna say for rest of the thing, but share some interesting story. Layla, come on.
I mean, I think like when you see a founder step down, it's usually those kind of story. Recently, you have seen many, right?
No, I don't know. Tell me.
You don't do this to me. I don't want to be banned by the industry. Okay.
Okay.
Dear Wells and family offices and all the big investors, I didn't say anything. Please don't ban me. I am just a small founder growing Sprout. We are
There
good.
you go.
It's only
there you go.
Lambro who is talking shit.
I'm not pumped to the monkeys. But yes.
Yeah,
All
and
right.
also I think like once you make a small, I think what's even rare is like some people they will make it, right, but they don't want to do anything else. They were just like chill, right? For me, the ethos is always I want to build more products. I want to expand the vision and using like whatever resources that I've accumulated to do better things so that I have the voting power in this world, right? But you see many people, they just like retire. So that's why I say, courage is so important. And then
That is true.
this goes to like Marco and Lambro, right? You guys have so much courage doing the live stream together.
Oh my god. The real answer
We
is
should do
launching your own
roundtable.
chain.
What's round table?
We should do like a 八卦 round
Like,
table.
I don't actually know
With, like,
that
a lot of
much,
guests.
because my Chinese only improved the past few months.
Like,
So
Gossip,
I don't know that
round
much
table.
gossip. What kind of
You know,
gossips do you have?
Gossip is very important. Gossip is another level of information.
Oh, you mean just like a
And
round table, like live streaming with like a lot of people to talk about the markets, right? Just or just the news and gossips.
either way, like we should do that like every week, maybe. I think
Oh,
a lot of
there
people are
you
gonna
go.
watch it. No?
There
Okay,
you go.
let's
No.
let's
Like, I think
our
it's
DM.
fun. I think it's a good idea.
It's fun.
Yeah.
Okay. I guess it's a wrap for today. Good chat, everyone. Till next time. Let's put on some makeup next time.
Anyway, yeah.
See you
Thanks
later.
all. Wait, check
Goodbye.
sproutify.xyz. All right.
Thank you, Marco.
Take care.
Next
Thank
time.
you. We
Bye-bye.
really need Marco for this stream.
Ciao.
What's my
Are we still alive?
Crypto